The XFM Breakfast Show with John Holmes.
Well, good morning to you. This is XFM Breakfast. It's Tuesday. I'm John Holmes. It's just after 7 o'clock. Here's Matt with the news.
Parts of Gloucestershire and Somerset have now been officially declared part of the sea. XFM's Jim Diamond is on the Somerset levels for us this morning.
Well, scientists who use a mathematical formula to work out what is land and sea based on the amount of time they spend underwater have redefined the regions. It's bad news for landlubbers down here in the West Country, though. The official change will begin as of 2015, when the Queen will lead an official ceremony in which land status will be revoked.
Elsewhere this morning, Liverpool is to hold a referendum to decide whether it's going to remain part of the UK. The campaign for Merseyside independence began in 1963 during the height of Beatlemania and has received limited coverage since. The vote is set to take place in 2018. The Fuller's Brewery has unveiled the first ever beer pipeline, starting at their factory in Chiswick. The 8.3-mile-long Griffin pipeline will go under the M4 and stretch all the way to its new pub at Heathrow's Terminal 2. In music news, Bono has announced on Twitter that he's going to play a protest gig against CO2 emissions inside the Blackwall Tunnel later this morning. The U2 frontman says The Edge can't make it due to asthmatic problems. And following his impromptu performance of the Wham rap last week, Michael Gove has signed to Rough Trade. The Education Secretary is set to bring out his debut album Free School with a K this summer before embarking on a string of festival appearances the following summer, pending the results of the 2015 general election.
XFM Sport with Deep Freeze Cold Spray. Essential kit bag kit. Spray on, play on.
The government's announced a deal with the FA where each new town built in the country will come with a football team automatically entered into the Football League. The government says that it hopes the scheme will instill a sense of civic pride in new residents. It comes as Man United and Bayern Munich announced plans to swap managers ahead of tonight's Champions League tie at Old Trafford as part of a UEFA experiment. And the England Cricket Board have announced that we will no longer take part in international tournaments after England's defeat to the Netherlands in the World 2020 yesterday.
XFM Travel
With powwownow.co.uk. Helping you to just get things done.
Speed limits have been lifted on a dedicated section of the M25 this morning as part of an experiment by the Department of Transport. Drivers can pick up a special Autobahn pass at the toll booth of the Dartford Tunnel, which will allow them to drive at up to 170 miles an hour. There's a burst carriage on the Piccadilly line on the tube this morning between Holborn and Covent Garden. Expect delays. Also from midday, all trains on the network will be travelling at half speed as a tribute to the late Bob Crow. Oxford Circus will also be painted black as a tribute to the gone union leader. All buses with a 4 in their number will be avoiding roundabouts until midday, and the Woolwich Ferry is running a full service.
The XFM Breakfast Show with John Holmes.